Becca, what are you writing? Oh, you got a cookie? I love that. So what are you gonna do when you're done with it? You're erasing your name. What? No, don't do that.
I know.
What? Are you kidding me? Becca.
I know.
You got an Oreo?
I'm gonna do a whole circle.
Oh, you're gonna draw the whole thing? So do you like these dry erase boards?
Yeah.
You're so cute. Hey, draw me a heart or something fun.
I'll find it all hurt.
Okay, draw a heart. Good job. I love it.
Is that how we make the heart?
Yep, you did really good, Beckett. And you can erase it, and you can, just like at school, this is like your own magic board. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Beckett, why is he happy? Why did you say he's happy?
Because he has hair.
Hair.
Hey, I'm gonna take a bite.